Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracey. Today I'm going to show you the Sending Good Thoughts Paper Pumpkin Kit, which is from July 2022. And I'm going to show you some alternatives to it as well. So when we open up this kit, okay, as you can see, this one's a nautical theme. Okay, our instruction sheet with some shows the contents and a couple alternatives there. And then inside is, of course, the directions. Comes with our adhesive dimensionals. The color this time is Bermuda Bay. Again, we got some crumb cake baker's twine. Our stamp set is nautical themed. Let me show you on a background here. Okay, with the ship, okay, seahorse and some seaweed, some starfish, and a variety of different sayings. Okay, our variety of die cuts, okay, include some coral, which of course now are all stuck together here. Okay, starfish. There was a bunch of different tags, some seagulls, and this was one of the last cardstock that I had left. And then some envelopes here as well, which are all the same. So the ones that the kit gives you instructions for, here is one, Sending Good Thoughts, with the message in, or the ship in the bottle. Okay, wishing you all the best. And this is your message in the bottle. Okay, and some varieties that I made. Okay, this one here. Again, just using everything in the kit. I don't actually think I did anything without stuff from this kit this time. Okay, again, I just took one of the card pieces and just cut it on a diagonal, and then did a bit of variety there. Okay, and here's another one from that I took the card base and I cut it in two, and then I've applied it to two different ones. Okay, another one with the bottles, message in the bottle, and a final one here using more stamps. So lots of variety with this stamp set. I could have kept going with this one. I just love the nautical themes. So I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Paper Crafting with Tracey. Please subscribe to the channel so that you stay up to date on more videos, and happy stamping.